The 2023 Ford Explorer has an updated face and fresh interior design in a few countries. The new Explorer made its debut in China, and we could get the new model in America. The Chinese spec Explorer was caught undisguised, so the updated look may have been leaked. The mid-sized SUV is labeled as being an all-new model, but in reality, it's just a heavy update for the current generation. Right off the bat, we can observe the front grille has been made substantially wider and uses a heavy dose of chrome while being flanked by fully redesigned LED headlights. Interior, things look decent from the driver's perspective. Front seat space is abundant, and the driving position is nicely adjustable. It's generally easy to see out thanks to adequate glass area and good-sized mirrors. The Explorer wears car-like shapes and designs, with relatively limited switches and knobs. The low dash aids outward visibility, and front seat riders will find terrific support from bucket seats upholstered in cloth or one of several leather grades. More substantial luxury touches, such as soft touch panels, come with upper trim levels like the Platinum or King Ranch. The Explorer's front seats are comfortable and provide good support and ample adjustment. They come covered in cloth in base models, synthetic material in the mid-level XLT, and leather in higher trims. The 2023 Explorer comes standard with a landscape format 8-inch infotainment touchscreen in base, XLT, and limited trims. There's a portrait format 10.1-inch touchscreen in the King Ranch, ST, and Platinum. Both touchscreens feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. Legibility and response are excellent on both systems. Steering wheel inputs, voice inputs, and traditional volume/tuning knobs sit below the screen. While several current Ford models, including the Bronco and Expedition, now use the latest fourth generation of Ford's Sync infotainment software, the Explorer keeps Sync 3. It lacks some of Sync 4's more advanced cloud-connected services and wireless connectivity, but Sync 3 is still a very good system, especially when you get comfortable with its voice command capabilities. Base and XLT trims come with a simple 6-speaker AM/FM stereo with Sirius XM satellite radio, while higher trims bring a sonorous premium 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system with HD radio and embedded navigation. In-vehicle Wi-Fi is standard on all models. The Explorer is well equipped with driving safety aids. All Explorers come standard with automated emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, cross-traffic and blind spot monitoring, and automatic high beams. The second row comes standard as a 3-person bench, though most leave the factory with twin captain's chairs that allow access for kids to the third row. Once back there, occupants will find a somewhat tight 32.2 inches of legroom and a low seating position. The Explorer is one of the longest and roomiest 3-row SUVs and just manages to squeeze into the mid-size class. Measuring 198.8 inches front to rear, it offers more cargo space and third-row legroom than any competitor aside from the Chevrolet Traverse. Pushing a single lever eases access to the Explorer's third row. But as in the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade, the seat's bottom cushion sits low on the floor, making it uncomfortable for adults. The The door openings in the second row are a bit tight. It would be easier to access the third row if the second row seats could slide a few more inches forward. It's a tight squeeze to get back there, but it's not much of an issue since the third row is for smaller adults and kids. The third row sits at a comfortable incline with plenty of padding. Cargo space. A standard power liftgate opens access to the 18.2 cubic foot cargo area, which is wide enough to carry a 4-foot sheet of plywood or drywall. With both rows of rear seating folded, the Explorer offers 87.8 cubic feet of cargo space, making it one of the more spacious vehicles in the class. There is a great amount of storage space for small personal items, thanks to storage trays and cubbies.